Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world. And welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're an OG. To today's video. It is my first Vlogtober video. I need y'all to bear with me because I'm going to try my best to bring you great content and entertainment. Today's video is quite short, but it's all about the content. If you enjoy cooking, cleaning, homemaking, working, shenanigans, foolishness, kids, driving, and everything in between, hit that subscribe, become a part of the bestie crew. To all of my OGs and my news, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all are the best. My channel would not be what it is without you. I just appreciate each and every one of you. I also appreciate all of the new subscribers we just got. Y'all, we are at 900 plus subscribers. So here's the goal. My anniversary date for YouTube is October 23rd. I will be on YouTube for 4 years. Let's get to 1,000. Would that be awesome? And that's also my anniversary day as well too. And I will have been married 24 years. So if I could get to 1,000 subscribers by my anniversary, that would be excellent. I think we can do it. Do y'all think we can do it? Yeah, I think we can. This is what I'm going to do. This is my first video. It's very short. I'm sorry that it's so short, but I'm trying to get it together because your girl is trying. Because if I can do Vlogtober, then maybe I could do Vlogmas. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Let me stop talking. I'm gonna put some music on and y'all enjoy the rest of this video.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now.
So the workday is over and we have no water. Isn't that wonderful? So that means I can't cook nothing, I can't wash nothing, I can't do nothing. We don't have no water. Wonderful.
But I guess I'll never be tired of you. I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. With a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
Thank you for being here. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow.